scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Calculus problems like this look scary, but they are actually super simple once you see the pattern. Let's find that tangent slope right now together. The slope of a line tangent to a graph at a specific point is just the derivative of the function at that exact x value. We need to find f prime. Look at the limit definition provided in the third property. This specific limit formula is the formal definition of the derivative of our function f at the point -1. Since the limit equals -3/5, that is our slope. Option A is the winner. You just solved a complex calculus problem in seconds. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs carefully, trust given values, and check your steps for success.